think you will agree that if you and I can hear God's voice and walk in that hearing of that voice, we can almost walk perfect in the thing. And I don't think that's something that is far from the will of God. I think God wants us to be in obedience to his word. The righteousness of the law might be fulfilled in us who walk not after the flesh, but after the Spirit. For they that are after the flesh do mind the things of the flesh, but they that are after the Spirit, the things of the Spirit. For to be carnally minded is death, but to be spiritually minded is life and peace. Because the carnal mind is enmity against God, for it is not subject to the law of God, neither indeed can be. So they that are in the flesh cannot please God. Verse 14, for as many as are led by the Spirit of God, these are the sons of God. The Spirit itself bears witness with our spirit that we are the children of God. Beareth witness. Today, you have a lot of deception that's going on, and you need to know God's voice. The spirit of man is a candle of the Lord, searching all the inward parts of the belly. So what this is saying is that God is going to use your spirit to guide you. All right? Now, when we say that, we have to understand and be spiritually minded. Now, please take this out of the religious and put it in the righteous context. We have to be spiritually minded. He is saying for us to seek guidance from God. And if we're going to seek guidance from God, God is a spirit. And he guides us by our spirit. Turn to Revelation, please. Revelation chapter 21. This is a key to hearing the voice of God. To be spiritually minded. Be more conscious of the Spirit. Normally, we're not. And this is key for all of us, and that's why many times the saints of God are not experiencing the blessing of God, because it takes spiritual mindedness. As long as there are factions and strife and divisions, are you not all carnal and walk as mere men? Isn't that a trick of the enemy to try to keep us in strife, to try to keep us in division? We try to keep us separate as a church. I'm talking about the entire church now. I'm talking about denomination. Isn't that just a trick of the devil to try to get us, you got this, I don't have that, you have that, so forth and so on, to keep people in a carnal way so that they can't get over in the spirit and subdue him. Keep them involved with issues. Majoring on the minors. For which cause we faint not, but though our outward man perish, yet our, come on, inward man is renewed day by day. Now, isn't this interesting? An inward man. There's a man in there. It says there's a man in there. Now, isn't this interesting? It says there's a man in there. You get it? We are the children of God. Beareth witness. witness. Beareth witness.